Hi friends, let me show you these new Coverado floor car mats that I received for reviewing purposes. I want to show you first. They have no odor. They are aimed for any kind of car, most of them. You can cut the mats to fit your specific car mat size. You see, they will help you protect your car. They are waterproof, so all the dirt and water that you bring in your shoes will stay here. And as I told you, they have this pattern so you can cut the precise size that you need. Let's do it. We're going to use these ones. As you can see, in this car, I don't have to cut anything. They fit perfectly, and I like this border kind that will help me to keep the dirt and the water inside the mat. Let's do the next one. Okay, and now you can see how beautiful they fit, and we are going to do the back seats right now. These ones come joined, so you can leave them as that to cover all the back foot place. So you can see it will cover all the foot space from one side to the other. And if for any reason you want it in a different car size, you can cut them in these corners. Like here, we're going to cut a little bit so they fit perfectly. Let me do it. As you can see, we have to cut these three parts at least. Let's do it very carefully. Okay. Maybe two more. Okay. Now they fit perfectly. And we're going to do the same in the other side, okay? Let's do it. That's it. Now we have a perfect fit in our mats in both sides. I'm going to keep the medium part like this, even though it's a little bit, just a little bit bumpy, but I like it to cover all the way from one side to the other. So, if you need new mats for your car, mats that are going to keep all the dirt and the water on top of them and protect your car's floor, these ones are a great option. Thank you.